You are watching
ARP Agri Artist.
Welcome to a world you won't believe is real. Today we are exploring 10 unreal colorful succulents from around the world that look like living jewels. From rainbow rosettes to stone-like plants, nature has created absolute magic. If you love rare plants, stay with us till the end. You will find your next dream plant. Echeveria elegans, Mexican snowball. Echeveria elegans is a beautiful rosette succulent native to Mexico. It has soft, pale green leaves that form a perfect symmetrical shape. The plant looks like a natural snowball and is very attractive in decorative pots. It is very easy to grow and requires minimal care. This makes it perfect for beginners. Echeveria lola. Echeveria lola is a hybrid succulent known for its rose-like appearance. The leaves have soft pink and lavender tones that change with sunlight. It is one of the most photogenic succulents used in modern home decoration. This plant adds a soft aesthetic beauty to any space. It thrives in bright light conditions. Graptopetalum paraguayense, ghost plant. Graptopetalum paraguayense is commonly called the ghost plant due to its pale bluish-gray color. It forms trailing rosettes that spread beautifully over time. The plant changes color depending on light exposure. It is highly drought-tolerant and low-maintenance, native to Mexico and Texas regions. Sedum rubbertinctum jellybean plant. Sedum rubbertinctum is a charming succulent known for its tiny jelly bean-shaped leaves. The leaves are bright green in shade, but turn vibrant red under strong sunlight. This natural color change makes the plant very eye-catching and attractive. It has a playful and unique appearance that stands out in any plant collection. The plant grows quickly and spreads easily, making it perfect for small pots or garden edges. It is extremely easy to grow and requires minimal care. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners. Native to Mexico, it thrives well in warm and sunny conditions. Haworthia cooperi. Haworthia cooperi has transparent, glass-like leaf tips that look unreal. It feels like looking into tiny water bubbles. This plant is small, compact, and perfect for desks or shelves. It prefers indirect sunlight and low watering. A truly unique collector's plant. Haworthiopsis attenuata, zebra plant. This plant is famous for its bold white stripes on dark green leaves. It looks like a zebra pattern, making it very eye-catching. It is extremely hardy and survives even in low light conditions. Requires very little care and water. A perfect beginner-friendly indoor plant. Lithops living stones. Lithops look exactly like small stones or pebbles. They are designed by nature to blend into deserts. These plants require very little water to survive. Their appearance is so unusual that many people think they are fake. One of the most fascinating succulents in the world. Pachyphytum oviferum, moonstones. Moonstones have soft, rounded leaves with pastel pink and blue shades. They look like glowing candy or tiny stones. This plant is extremely decorative and rare-looking. It is highly popular among succulent collectors. Native to Mexico and easy to maintain. Kalanchoe tomentosa, panda plant. This plant has soft, fuzzy leaves with brown edges. It looks like a cute panda or teddy bear plant. The texture is very unique and pleasant to touch. It grows well indoors with indirect light. A favorite for decorative plant lovers. Sedum Adolphi, golden sedum. Golden sedum has bright yellow-green leaves that turn orange in sunlight. It creates a glowing effect in gardens or pots. The plant grows quickly and spreads beautifully. It is perfect for beginners and requires minimal care. A bright and cheerful succulent. So, which of these unreal succulents amazed you the most? Nature truly creates magic beyond imagination. Comment your favorite below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing plant content. See you in the next video.